Minister of Higher Education, Science and Innovation, Dr. Blade Nzimande, has responded to the North Gauteng High Court order to withdraw that notice of intention to place the University of South Africa under administration. Nzimande says he's worried about how South Africa's courts are being used in this instance to curtail his executive authority as set out in the Higher Education Act.
The Minister of Higher Education, Science and Innovation, Dr. Blade Nzimande, notes the ruling of the High Court of South Africa Gauteng Division on an agent application by the University of South Africa. Minister Nzimande will abide by the ruling of the court as set by Judge Kuveki J on the 5th of October 2023. The minister further notes the reasons provided by the court, particularly on the breach of the order of the court granted by Mr. Justice Adam on the 24th of August 2023. Minister Nzimande remains concerned that although the order granted by Mr. Justice Adams on the 24th of August 2023 has noted the agency of this matter, the court has not yet demonstrated any sense of agency in finalizing this matter. It is now more than a month that transpired and the matter has not yet been heard by the court. However, the court is able to hear an agent application by Unisa. To the minister, this resembles an inconsistency in the application of the principle of agency or prioritization of issues by the court. The minister is further concerned about how the South African court system is being used in this instance to curtail his executive authority as provided by the Higher Education Act. The minister believes in the supremacy of the Constitution, the law and the doctrine of the separation of powers between the executive, the legislature and the judiciary. He hopes that this should not be one of those instances in which this important constitutional principle is violated. The minister wishes to clarify issues of what happened before court. What happened before court was not the review of his intention to appoint an administrator at Unisa, nor the recommendations of the independent assessor. The court interdicted the minister from taking a decision and implementing it pending the finalization of the interim interdict that the council had instituted. In that matter, the council and the vice-chancellor seek to interdict the minister from implementing his decision pending the finalization of the application that seeks to have the report and the recommendations of the independent assessor reviewed and set aside. This therefore means that the court did not consider the merits of the interim interdict and the review of the application. Minister Nzimande will await the court for the hearing of an agent interim interdict application. The minister's legal team has again reminded Deputy Judge President Judge Ledwaba for an expedited special allocation of the aforementioned hearing. Voice note is by Ishmael Mnisi, the Minister of Higher Education, Science and Innovation spokesperson.